While talking online, I was asked to demonstrate how to add a 2x2 grid to my spoil board. My table is 48 inches by 48 inches, so that's what I have selected here. We're going to go into 2D view. I'm going to start out by drawing a horizontal line. Holding the control button, draw a line. Hit T for transform. Set my new size to 48 inches. Hit the block, rotate and copy. Set the offset to 2 inches. I'm just going to change them both, and I want 25 rows. Hit apply. I'm going to group those together as one unit. I'm going to hit Control X to copy them. Hit Control V to paste them. I'm going to hit F9 to center it. I'm going to hit Control V to paste again. I'm going to hit TT for transform. I'm going to change this to 90 degrees. Hit apply. I'm going to hit F9 to center it again. I'm going to close this, go to the toolpaths, select 2D profiling toolpath, select along. We're going to set a depth of 0.03. I'm going to select a 60-degree V-bit. Hit select on that. We're going to do the horizontal lines first. I'm going to call this V1. Hit calculate. I'm going to say V2 is the next one. I'm going to select the vertical lines. I'm going to hit calculate. Now we should have two toolpaths here. 1, 2. Go to toolpath, save toolpath as. You can use this to send them to whatever machine you need. And that's the whole process.